Yay. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, then I pause this really quick. I just got a squishy package. I haven't gotten one in quite a long time. Okay, so I just got done fixing it, and so you guys want to see the toilet. But anyway, yeah, so here is the squishy package. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I forgot to mention, welcome to another random day. I don't know what day I'm gonna upload this. I don't know what day I'm gonna upload this with me. But first, please hit that subscribe button here, wherever. Also, it'll be, go check out my last video. It will be right here. So yeah, okay, so let me just cover this thing with something. And I had to cover up my address with this thing. So I don't want to shake it because something's in here. So I have my big humongous exacto knife, which is not appropriate, but we're gonna try to open this. Okay, so you guys get the first peek. So hope you guys can see that. Okay, so the first thing is, oh my god, yeah, I guess this is an extra. It was with this spider web, which is so cool. Oh my gosh, yeah, I'm not sure if you guys saw it, but the spider was like on top of it. This is an extra. She gave me this little, okay, so that is really bad lighting. Like, it's like, okay, anyway, she gave me this cherry Jolly Rancher, which is so nice of her. I'll leave it in the camera view, like right there. That was my mom. Okay, so she also gave me another extra. It's this burger squishy, and it's so squishy. This is really uncomfortable to squish. Let me try to adjust the camera angle. Okay, so I think that is a little better. But this is from a girl named Annie. I honestly do not know when I ordered this. But the first thing is this earth squishy. It looks like it's been bitten. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it has hair, but it is a bouncy ball. Then nextly is this emoji silly squishies tag. I love to see the packaging. Okay, let's go back into here. I forgot to do that. Okay, so yeah, that was a bunch of other things. Then I ordered the second thing I ordered was this kissy face emoji bun, and it's not really squishy. My mini crying face emoji bun. Oh my gosh, it's raining outside. It's raining, it's raining, it's raining, it's raining. Can you guys hear that? Nextly is this hand sanitizer. And here is the little card. It says, hope you enjoy Annie, or Anne. But yeah, that's so cute. Then, lastly in here, I ordered this burger squishy. I'm obsessed with burgers. Squishies because they're like so squishy. Then nextly is this emoji bun. And it's so jumbo. Oh my gosh. And it just stopped raining, then it's gonna go down. But yeah, that is so squishy. That's the next thing that I ordered. The next thing is this jumbo grimacing emoji bun squishy. Oh. And it smells so good. Then I have this card. I've got this. And it's so squishy. It's not really squishy, it's really dense. Oh my gosh, she gave me so much candy. Oh my gosh, did you hear that? Okay. She gave me this Crybaby bubblegum. And I guess this is like Halloween themed because the spider webs and candy. Yeah. Then this Hershey's, other Thai baby, Jolly Rancher, ooh, green apple, and there's that. Oh my gosh, that is so sour. I don't know if you guys heard. I love my dad. But thank you so much for getting the video. Thank you so much, Annie, for getting me these extras and everything. And this was the spoof, if you guys did not know. Pretty sure all of you knew because all of these spoofs are old. And yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. And see you guys another Friday or another day with me.